What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be showing you how to adjust the vibration intensity on the Samsung Galaxy S8. This is an important feature for anyone that has to answer important calls or needs to be alerted on certain things. And if you are in a place where it's loud and you can't hear your phone go off, you can ensure you feel the vibration in your pocket, or if you are wearing thicker pants, you can turn up the intensity so you can feel it through your pants. Those are just a couple examples. I'm sure there are many other reasons that you would use this feature. Alright, so to do this, you are going to pull down the notification panel and click on the gear. And then you are going to click on sounds and vibration. And then right here you'll see there's vibration intensity. Now here you have 4 sliders. The first one here is vibration when you get a call. Next is notification, so maybe if you get a Snapchat or a text. The third is touch interaction, which is vibration when you click certain things, so you can enable the keyboard to vibrate every time you click a letter, and so this slider will adjust vibrations for things like that. And this last one is for pushing the home button forcefully and not just using the soft key right here. These sliders do have specific levels, so if you watch, they actually lock into specific places. The top 3 sliders have 6 different vibration levels, and the last one has 5. Each one is also independent, so none of them move together. I can adjust each one to my own liking or as I wish. So that's how you adjust the vibration intensity on the Samsung Galaxy S8. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.